This is Inka Gold wax paste. It's a water-soluble wax paste. I have got the brown gold and the champagne here. There are many, many other different colors to choose from as well. Sometimes when you're using them, they do get a little bit dry, so I like to mist it with some distilled water or pre-boiled water and let it sit to rehydrate it. Because it's a water-soluble wax paste, you can use it for watercoloring and get a metallic finish. In this instance, I'm using it for an emboss resist technique. I'll just take my finger and I rub it over my embossed background. Once I am done with this color, I'll go back and forth between the brown gold and the champagne just to create an interesting look. I typically like to work with several different colors at once. There you go, I added some gold to it. I like the color transition that you can get when you use several different colors. It just makes it a little bit more interesting to look at. Once I've got my background done, I've got a baby wipe here just for the moisture, and I'm rubbing the Inka Gold off of the embossed surface, and it creates a really cool background look. You can use this also on die cuts. I've even used it on some metal embellishments. It's a great product. I've had mine for probably over 10 years now. I use it quite often because it's just got so much versatility to it, and there are so many colors to choose from. I really, really love it.